called, you can say PI, right? After before to college it's analytics, and now you do some PhD and all, it becomes a data science. So that's the difference basically.
Yeah. That's the difference. Yes. So now, in predictive analytics, now in prediction, before the prediction was just for work. Before the prediction was just for sales or just for employee. Like this employee will leave the job or not. This was the prediction doing before. Um, this month sale means coming month sale. How much the sale will happen? Which for which product? What will happen? How much sale will happen? This was the topmost of the predictive before. But right now the scenario in business it's happened like that. Now prediction, predictive, risks, this became part of daily life in business now. They want like daily we must work on risks and prediction. They want like that. Now in this there is one point which before it was not there, now it is there. Before the data was operational. The data was operational. Operational means what? Means everybody know the data. Like this type of data could have come and we need to manage this type of data in this way. Before it was like that. But right now the scenario is different. Right now the scenario is in this way. We don't have any type of assumption in our mind or in our technical things like what type of data will come in future. As example, car, you know car. So people used to put a GPRS device on the car and they used to track the car. So now tracking car before 5 years it was not there. Before 5 years the storage of the tracking car was not there. But right now it is there. But in future the car is going to fly. Right? Not in future. Right now, already there is flying car started in some city in the world. So in 1 or 2 years, it will spread all over the world in 1 or 2 years only. But so now the tracking of the car, the storage of the means the data which are we are going to store of the flying car will be too much huge. And how we are going to store, how we are going to track, how we are going to extract, transfer, load. It's a huge challenge. Getting my point? So, data science is the subject where it answers this type of questions. It answers this type of question. But in there is some advantage in data science and there are some disadvantage in data science. The advantage is that only skilled technical hardcore person can survive in data science. This is the advantage. Means and disadvantage is that the talkative person, the non-skilled person, non-hardcore person cannot survive because it it like we say KPI, so it give us the solution from starting to end in we can say like preparation of data, preparation of data, then implementation of data, then deployment of data, then maintenance of data, then storage of data, then maintenance, this is maintenance, and this is management. Then management of data. So it covers every aspect of data. Preparation means initial preparation. Implementation. Implementation means core implementation. Implementation means, I mean,
Yeah.
core implementation. Then deployment means same implementation taking to cloud.
Yeah.
Hmm? Then maintenance means if there is some problem, some issue, solving the issues. Then storage. Storage of that data is also a huge problem now, because suppose if you track a car which is driving on road, so it will take nearly 1 TB of data of storage. It will take how much? 1 TB. But suppose if it is driving, or we can say skiving, it is skiving, then how much of TB will come in one day? It will be huge. Hmm? So storage of data, then management of data. So now the person of data science, must have the knowledge of all these things: preparation, implementation, deployment, maintenance, storage, and management.
So if I just give an example, like preparation means they should know where the data lies and what
No, not like that. Preparation means what? Like as I given you example, like if myself is a FORD car, Ford car, or BMW car company myself. Now BMW and Ford, there are 4 5 big car company. They have joint venture for flying car. Hmm? Now, if flying car come, means already came, it's not come. Means so for flying car, what will be the data? How will be the data? So according to that data, I must do the preparation. According
so
to,
now like sorry to interrupt. I just wanted to keep it interactive.
yeah.
So we really don't worry about the structure nowadays, right? So
No,
nothing
no,
is
no. It is not like that. That is, what you said is exactly correct. But nowadays, company is worried. That's why they have given the word out of our computer world. This data science word don't belong to computer world. If it is a computer software professional word, suppose, then the word must be like data professional, hmm? Data professional, data analytics, principal data consultant, hmm? Project leader, data manager, hmm? Business data management. So the word should have come here in this way. They have given the word science because the future predicts the future of data, we don't know, and we don't have any operational presumptions that how the data will come, because previously the interactive session of the data was only computer. Previously only computer or laptop, same, they used to handle the data. Even but now even my mobile, your mobile, even your watch, even the shirt button, huh? Everything is there. So that is the reason they given the word data science, because here this is this is not your full work. This is Naveen, here. This is not your full work. This is your half work. So what is another half?
understanding and like getting some
No,
insight.
no, no. another half is like, you see, like now IoT is coming. Now which type of IoT is coming, we don't know. Suppose we get something different IoT. So you must research according to that. Then according to that you must try to understand which sort of data can be helpful. Like as example, now the operating system which we are running now, they are not compatible with the present data, because if I want to use this my laptop to connect with mobile, it is not connecting. My mobile is not connecting with my laptop. If I want to connect, what I must do, I must purchase third device, another device, another software. Directly it is not connecting. Then same device, same software, I must connect to my mobile. Now the scenario is this: I want to connect to my TV, I want to connect my this headphone, I want to connect your watch, I want to connect the door, I want to connect Windows. So how it is possible? So now, no. If we do, it is not possible because it is not cost effective. Because like TV, again I must purchase a third device, third software, and integrate. Huh?
All smart devices connect to Wi-Fi nowadays, like
No. In that also not there. There is no support. So you need to purchase third device, third software, then integrate. There is no support. For that reason, what happened? Some company, they came up with new operating system. They come up with new operating system like Fuchsia. Like what? Fuchsia. Because actually fuck word is actually a business word. It is not, no. In India it is bad word, but it is a business word because our world run with fucking. Means when people are fucking, then only we are growing now. So that's why this word given by Google. So Google invented this Fuchsia because he want to give a message to the people that you must keep fucking, because that is only keep world is going to grow. Yeah. So because in America and Western world they don't want to fuck, because they know fucking means creating a business for other person. So that's why they stop fucking. So that's why Google they invented this Fuchsia. Now this in Fuchsia it is not like that. Suppose if there is the operating system Fuchsia in your computer, then no need to separately connect to any device. Every device will connect automatically, plug and play. Now, same way, Amazon invented Alexa. Same way, Alexa. Now, Alexa is also a different world. It is not our world. It is different world. In Alexa also, there is a plug and play. Like if you want to connect Alexa to the door, that's plug and play. Means there is our API, but it's not so difficult right how it is right now. So I can just plug and play. Then I will just say to Alexa, "Oh Alexa, open the door." So Alexa will open the door. So Fuchsia, Alexa, then Smart OS. Smart OS from Solaris. They are combining Linux, Windows, and Solaris all together, embedded. So in this scenario, everything is interconnected. So that is what. So that is the reason why they have used the word science word. Why they have used the word science? Because of this. Because the technical, operational devices which are present right now, you must know that, and plus in future what is going to happen, that also you must know. You must try to research and connect to the present world.